Okay, hey guys, I have this apple blossom egg here. I made out of clay, and you may notice it's zoom in. I have this mini pips made out of caramel clay too. It's not that exact kind of clay, but look at surprises. On the back it says I right here. Heart. I know it looks like kitty kisses. It is Shopkins. It says right here. I wrote it down. I'm really sad to take this down, and we're gonna open this up. It's just like wow. This has a surprise right here. I'm holding it for them. Here. And if you want to know how to make it, just tell me in the comments. But okay. Pictures. Okay. First, let's peel her off. So let's just leave her on there. I don't want to destroy her. Open this up. Let's just snap this back together. Like that. A few moments later. Okay, I finally got this thing closed. I have to go like this. Okay. Okay, so this thing is really hard to close. I got it closed. Okay. I'm just gonna keep this over here. We shouldn't even look at it. Okay, we shouldn't even look at it. Okay, so we have this here. This is Wendy Washer, and she's green kind, and she's a bear. She's season 2. Okay, this is Snow Crush in blue, and right here, she's Shopkins season 1, and she's an ultra or like special what to say. Then we have Coffee Drip. He's common, and he is This is the blue. Then we have Champy. He is a common. He is in the Health and Beauty, and he's in Shopkins season 1. Right here. Okay. Now let's do this. We have this repaint of Rarity, and this is supposed to be Trixie Lulu. That's her last name. Then we have this Bubble Tubs, and he is a ultra rare. He's in Shopkins season 1. He's in Bubble Beauty. So we just keep going over. Then we have this right here. This is the A-Little's Pet Shop, and it's a cat. She's a magnet. She's a magnet. They're over there. It's hard to reach. Okay, then we have Tullips. He's a, well, let's just not say the rarity. I think this is cool. I don't actually have a checklist. I threw all mine away, so maybe Shopkins season 2. But this is Dollops. Here's really cute. This is a Jerry. The only thing I have with it. And we have this other little Spotted cat. It's in the same position as this one. I think this is like a Siamese cat. And it has blue marks right here. And yes, it is a red magnet. Or pink, I should say. Then we have Alpha Soup. He is a rare. And he is in the pantry. He's Shopkins season 1. We have Crispy Chip. And he is also a rare. And he is in Shopkins season 1 in the party foods. Then we have Miss Twist. It's hard to see her face. She is a common, and she is in the party foods. Or I should say sweet treats. Then we have this Shopkin here, which is Lemon Slipper. She is a common, and she is Shopkin season 2. And the shoe over here, let's put her right here. Next to Coffee Drip. See right here. Then we have Pineapple Crush. She is in Shopkin season 1. She is a common, and she's in the fruits and veggies. Soup. Then we have Bart Beans. He is Shopkins season 2, and he's a common, and he's in the pantry. Now let's do our last special. We have this is in Ghostbusters episode 6 of My Little Pony season 1, and he is Snails. He has his buddy Snips, but I don't have him. And he comes in the Sparkle playset the same as Trixie Lulumoon. And his name is Snail. Snail Squirm. So, also Snails. Then we have Juicy Orange. Juicy Orange is a common, and he is in the fruits and veggies, and he's a Shopkins season 2. Go right next to Bart Beans. Just take there. Oh gosh. Okay. Then we have Cupcake Chic. I don't know what rarity she is. She is in Shopkins season 2, and she's in the bakery. Cute. Then we have this right here. This is Cupid. She's an ultra rare, and she's in Shopkins season 2. Oops. Let's put her right in front. A Cupcake Chic. Then we have Peter Plunger. She's also an ultra rare, and she is in Shopkins season 2. And also her finish is Crystal Glitz. And then we have Shopkins season 2, Yummy Gum. He is in the Sweet Treats. Yeah, he's in the Sweet Treats, and he is a common. I think, I don't remember. Then I have cute little Sugar Lump. She's an ultra rare, and she has like a little booty and a rattle. And she is in the pantry, as well as Alpha Soup. Let's put her behind Miss Twist. Then we have Silly Chili. both colors. Oops. And they are common and they're in different varieties. Then we have 3 more. I'm going to save the special one for last. Okay. We have Lollipoppins, and she is a bear, and she is in the Sweet Treats. Shopkins season 1. We have 2 more surprises. And then, well, 3 actually, there's no one tips. We have the Boohoo Onion, which is a common, and she's in the fruit and veggies, or whatever, he or she, and she's in Shopkins season 2. Like that, cute food. And last but not least, Apple Blossom. And she inspired me to do this. Cute. You might see her in the background of my videos. So yeah. And this is my cutie little Apple Blossom. Little catch people down here. Sorry about that. I'm just falling over. Okay. Yes, the Apple Blossom. Shopkins season 1. She is a common, and she's in fruit veggies. Now our last prize is MLP Pips. This is a flat. See, she's flat. So let's take the surprise. She's kind of flat because these are her shoes. Can stand her up. And this is this little cute Littlest Pet Shop, and it comes in one of the sets. And this is Oliver Automan, and he is really cute. His head comes up. His head does not come up, so that's good. And I'm going to do another one of these videos in a minute, but this is my little cute. I dance. And this, right, I'm going to be making something. So this is a very special video. I'm going to be making somebody something, and they will get to keep it. Okay? So I'll need this color, and this color, and this color. Right here. A Palmer clay. Not exactly Palmer clay. These 3 colors. So we need to roll this up. This is the same as the color I used as apple down here. And this is it right here. I just need to roll into a ball. Then it'll be easier to move. Oops. Okay. This is the head. Now, for this, I'll need to be split into 2 in very long strips, and cut into 4. Antennas here. I actually don't know what I'm making. I don't know what I'm making. You have to stick them up at right here at the bottom back of the head. Just like this. Like this. And then we'll use these parts to glue them up. So we'll just need this little poker here. Right here. And then the happy face like this. And he's chewing something. I don't know what. And then we make his body. Then we can make a little bit bigger. And then we'll roll it up. This. This. Right here. Then we'll make the legs. That's right. Washing thing. This so far. And let's make his back. This looks so ridiculous. I'm sorry. Take this off. Here its legs. Now we'll make its tail. Gosh, this looks so weird. It's intended for all. And I don't know why, but something really weird is that my dad just told me whoever wins is him. So my dad wins this thing.